जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार चैनल from the international world. Azerbaijan is a country in South Caucasus region of Eurasia at the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia. It is bounded by the Caspian Sea to the east, Russia to the north, Georgia to the northwest, Armenia to the west, and Iran to the south. Azerbaijan Indian are bilateral ties between India and Azerbaijan. Diplomatic relations between the Republic of Azerbaijan and the People's of Republic of China were established diplomatic relations on 2nd April 1993. Country PM Modi visit to Ladakh, diplomatic message to China. India is not going to bow down. We are able to answer appropriately. Implementation of suggestions for government ministries also started in mission mode for self-reliant India. Sacraments, PM Modi met the soldiers injured in the fire. From China to the sky against China, India does not want to be wary about preparedness. Environment, Ranthambore National Park is a vast wildland reserve near the town of Sawai Madhopur in Rajasthan, northern India. It is a former royal hunting ground and home to tigers, leopards and marsh crocodiles. Its landmarks include the imposing 10th century Ranthambore Fort on a hilltop and the Ganesh Mandir temple. Invention. The telescope is the one of humankind's most important invention. The simple device that made far away things look near gave observers a new perspective. When curious men pointed the spyglass toward the sky, our view on Earth and our place in the universe changed over. The first person to apply for a patent for a telescope was a Dutch eyeglass maker named Hans Lippershey. State. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is the third largest state by population and 12th largest by territory, with an area 94,163 km. It is contiguous with Uttar Pradesh to its west, Nepal to the north, the northern part of West Bengal to the east, and Jharkhand to the south. The Bihar is split by the Gangas, which flows from west to east. Sri Guru Ravidas Ji was born on 1377 CE in Varanasi. He was an Indian mystic poet sent on the Bhakti movement during the 15th to 16th century CE, venerated as Guru in the region of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and mainly Punjab. He was a poet saint, social reformer and a spiritual figure. The life details of Guru Ravidas are uncertain and contested. Scholars believe he was born in 1371 CE in a family that worked with dead animal skins to produce leather products. Crops. Pumpkin seed is a chewy snack that doubles up as phenomenal health food with a wide variety of nutrients ranging from magnesium and manganese to copper, protein, zinc. Pumpkin are seeds nutritional powerhouses wrapped in a very small package. They also contain plant compounds known as phytosterols and free radical scavenging antioxidants that give our health an added boost. Fruits. Tamarind is a leguminous tree bearing edible fruit that is indigenous to tropical Africa. The genus Tamarindus is monotypic, meaning that it contains only this species. The tamarind tree produces brown pod-like fruit that contain a sweet tangy pulp which is used to cuisines around the world. Flowers. Kaktundi is used for gargle, epilepsy, tuberculosis, sore throat, fever, hair loss, scabies, asthma, inflammation and other conditions. This salt may also be used for purposes not listed in this medicinal guide. Cow-20 is used for the treatment, control, prevention and improvement of the following diseases and conditions. Yoga Swastik Asana is an ancient meditation asana in Hatha Yoga, sitting cross-legged. In Sanskrit, swastik means auspicious. It is also the name of an ancient Hindi symbol of good fortune. The health benefits of Swastikasana. Swastikasana is good of meditation pose. It stresses the lower body, spinal alignment. Universe. The Gobi Desert is a vast arid region in the northern China and southern Mongolia. It's known for its dunes, mountains and rare animals such as snow leopards and bacterian camels. In the Gobi Gurban Shaikar National Park, the Kongoran Hill sand dunes are said to sing when the wind blows. The park also features the deep ice field of Yoln and Cannon. Dinosaur fossils have been found at the red flaming cliffs of Bayanjang. Maths. In mathematics, a rational number is a number that can be expressed as the quotient or fraction p by q of two integers, a numerator p and a zero denominator q. Since q may be equals to 1, in every integer is a rational number. This set of all rational numbers, often referred to as the rationals, the fields of rationals or the fields of rational numbers, is usually denoted by a full fish. It was thus donated in 1895 by Giuseppe Piano after the Quociente, Italian for the quotient. Ayurveda. Asparagus rosemus is a species of asparagus common throughout India and the Himalayas. It grew 1 to 2 meter tall and preferred to take root in gravelly rocky soils high up in Piedmont Plains at 1300 to 1400 meter elevation. It was botanically described in 1799 because of its multiple uses. The demand for Asparagus rosemus is constantly on the rise because of destructive harvesting combined with habitat destruction and deforestation. The plant is now considered endangered in its natural habitat. Village town. Gwalior is a city in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. It's known for its palace and temples, including the Sas Bahu Mandir, practically carved Hindu temple. Ancient Gwalior Fort occupies a sandstone plateau overlooking the city. Is accessed via a winding road lined with sacred Jain statues. This event E336 Pactum Sicardi, a peace treaty between the Principality of Benevento and the Duchy of Naples, is signed. Ulrich of Ashburg is canonized as a saint 1993. Jordan II of Copia is knighted as prince after his infant nephew's death 1120. Weather news. Heavy rains in Mumbai led to life-threatening water losing. Its temperature in Patna 25 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 30 Celsius. Saroz Khan. She was born on 22nd November 1948. She was a leading Indian dance choreographer in Hindi cinema. She was born in Bombay State, India, with a career spanning over 40 years. She choreographed more than 2,000 songs. She died on 3rd July 2020 on a sudden cardiac arrest. Pronunciation of some words. First word, espresso. It's just espresso, not espresso. Second word, nuclear. It's just nuclear, not nuclear. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow live. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।